Here are some facts about monkeys you would like to know. Monkeys are found almost everywhere on Earth except Australia and Antarctica. Monkeys that live in Central and South America are called New World monkeys, and those live in Asia and Africa are called Old World monkeys. Contrary to the popular concept, humans didn't come from monkeys, rather they shared a common ancestor approximately 30 million years ago. The ancient Egyptians considered the Hamadryas baboon as their deity of underground, named Dua. The monkey is the ninth animal in Chinese zodiac. People born in a year of monkey are supposed to be intelligent, lively, creative, and flexible. Picking out parasites and darts from each other's fur is a way for monkeys to communicate. Alexander I, the king of Greece, died from sepsis after being beat by one of his pet monkeys. His death led to a war and killed about 1 lakh people. The largest monkey in the world is the male mandarin. The spider monkey is the most acrobatic of the New World monkeys. It can leap across gaps as large as 35 feet. The capuchin monkey is the most common and most intelligent of all the New World monkeys. To attract female partners, capuchin monkeys urinate in their hands and rub it into their furs. The howler monkey has the loudest call of any other primate. It is one of the loudest animals on land. Interestingly, the louder the howler monkey, the smaller its testicles and lower its sperm count. Due to the loss of trees in their native habitat, only about 1,500 golden lion tamarins exist in the wild. The first primate in space was a rhesus macaque named Albert. On June 14, 1949, Albert was sent into space to test the effects of space travel on a body. The Diana monkey was named after the Roman goddess Diana because the stripe of its forehead is similar to the bow of Diana. It's an old world monkey. The owl monkey is the only nocturnal New World monkey. They are also one of the few species affected by malaria. The smallest monkey on Earth is a pygmy marmoset. It can fit on the palm of a human hand. The workery is one of the rarest and most unusual looking monkey of all the New World monkeys. It makes sound similar to a human laugh. A recently discovered monkey, the Burmese sneezing monkey, sneezes whenever it rains. Uncle Fat is a morbidly obese monkey found in Thailand who gorged himself on junk food and soda the tourists had left behind. Japanese macaque washes dirt on their food. It's a learned behavior and no other monkey is known to wash their food before eating. The most recently discovered monkey is Lisula monkey. It was discovered in 2007 in Africa. Ethiopian geladas form the largest monkey troops in the world, numbering from 350 to 650 individuals. Study revealed that baboons have a language of more than 30 sounds, including 5 distinct vowel sounds. They also communicate through actions like struggling and lips. Diseases like yellow fever, tuberculosis, and monkeypox can spread from monkeys to humans. Raw and cooked brain of monkey is widely consumed in China and Malaysia. The monkey orchid is a flower that has evolved to look like a grinning face of a monkey. Each year, about 55,000 primates are used as test animals in the US and about 10,000 are used in Great Britain. Japan uses millions of primates. Do subscribe our channel for more interesting facts and animal activities. Thank you for watching.